How to make a photo black and white on your phone or on your mobile device. So first you want to open up the image that you want to turn black and white. So for example, this one right here, and then click on the edit button. Then you want to click on filters, and you should be able to see different filters. So you should scroll all the way to the right side, and you should find black and white filters in here. So for example, this one, which you can apply and check if it basically the filter you're looking for. You can also keep scrolling and testing different filters, as they might have different names. So for example, this classic filter is pretty good, so I'm going to select it and then click on the apply button. And now once you're done applying the filter you want, you can basically click on save to save the image with the modifications you've made. But keep in mind that if you don't want to overwrite the original image, you want to make a backup of the original image so that you can have the image with the filters and the original image in case you want to do something else, because editing the image directly will overwrite it and you won't be able to recover the old one if you haven't backed it up already. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.